about this airboat?
We sell this?
Check.
No. What do we know about this?
Check.
Is it a runner? Do we know if it runs?
No.
We don't know or it doesn't.
Been sitting a long time. They'll turn over. They're not seized
check.
or anything. That one turned over once.
All right, it's turning over. You're going to buy it as is. Anybody get 500? Anybody bid 2? 2 bid get 2, 2 bid get 2 bid get 2, 2 bid get 2 bid get 2, anybody bid $100. 1 bid of the 1, 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 1. Choice. Choice. Give me 100 for choice.
100 for both.
I have $100. 150. Take either one. This one or that one. Choice. 100 here. 125. 150. Choice. 150.
For one, right?
Either one. Take one. So if you want them both, I'll say 2 times the money. 150, 175, 200, 175 with 2. 2, you get 2, you get 2, 2, 2, you get 2, 9. Sold it, 175. Which one you want?
That one.
This one right here? What's the number?